Welcome back, Davidson's All Natural Gym. Today we got a log dog. Get you one of these log dogs. Alright, today Davidson's All Natural Gym, Eastern Red Cedar on the mount. So we're going to take this small cedar log, it's 8'6". It's supposed to be 8'6", and it's like 9.5 at this end and maybe 10 at that end. We're going to take 4 sides off this, but we're going to leave the rounded corner. Take 4 sides off, but leave a rounded corner. So we're just going to skim. It's just going to be like taking your cap cuts off this on 4 sides and not trying to get a square corner. I'd like to be able to raise this end up a little bit. So, let's see if I can scoot it onto that roller. Oh, I cannot. Better to go now. Alright, so let's see where we're at. 6 1/4 and 6 1/4. That's not good. Let's just barely skim it at 10. See what we get. I don't want to take off too much. I have a hard time putting it back on. I'd like to get down to the purple. I'd like to have a little more than that. But we're going to see what that gets us. We have to raise up this end, don't we? I hope so. And now we're at 5. We got to be still at 6 1/2 over here. This is pretty. Oh, fudge. We're at 5 over here too. Dang it. See where we're at. 2 foot in. That's going to be like a 1/2 inch higher than it should because of that knot. I still got another 1/2 inch to go there, and we're at 10 1/4. And there's where we're at, 10 1/4. We're going to try that. I can't take it off. I can't put it back on. Sure like to get down to that purple, but just gonna have to see what this other side's getting. If we go 4.5 off that center, I'm gonna go at 9.5 now. So if we go 9, then I can take another 1/2 inch off that other side. We go 9 here, get a 1/2 inch off that other side. I think that's what we'll do. Dang. Still not down to the purple though. Well, we definitely got to take off another. All we can get is a 1/2 inch off that side. That's why I don't want to take off too much. Right there. I want to take off a 1/2 inch off the other side. I've got to take it off this side. That puts us at 8.5. This one will put us at 8.5. Something ain't right. Sitting on something for sure. There we go. Let's try that. There we go. Just started to get to the purple here. So it's 6 cuts, fast and easy. You've got a 8.5 by 8.5 beam to hold up your porch. I think it looks good. But I wish it would have got down to the purple. I wish it would have got down to the purple, but it didn't. I'd have to go probably 6 by 6 to get it down to the purple. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I don't know. I like it. Alright, so does that make sense? Do something different than everybody else. Don't do what everybody else is doing. The big box stores won't do this. And I'll take you over there and show you what I got, maybe. But it's a real simple, it's not real simple. It's, you know, it takes some effort to make sure that you get those cants right. It's 4, maybe 6 cuts. The most I took was 6. No, I think it took 7 because I wanted to squeeze another little 1/4 inch off one side. But it's more of an artistic, you know, than it is sawing it down to a cant and getting boards out of it that you can. That's, everybody's doing that, and somebody can probably do it cheaper than you. Eastern red cedar, and it's going to be used as front porch posts. And I'll take you over here and show you what this is going to look. I think this is going to look amazing. So there's your 8.5 by 8.5 posts. I think that top one's 9. But the idea is, I think he wants 9 posts, you know, in this order, and they're going to be used as columns up and down on your front porch to hold up your front porch. They're only going to be 6 foot tall because he's got a rock wall there. But you can cut off a couple inches off that end and take your 6 foot out of there. And if you do, then you bring it down to here, and so your only squared off piece is right there. This won't be squared off. Or you can keep this squared off piece and take 2 foot off the top of that. If you take 2 foot off the top of that, you lose all that roundness up there, but you might gain some of these squares that you don't want. If you want the squares, fine. If you don't, you can take it off the top. If you want the squares, if you don't want squares, take it off the bottom. That one's gonna have one square side in the middle. They're all different. It's not, man, why would you want 8 by 8 beams on your porch that all look the same? Why not have just different beams? I think it's going to look amazing. I can't wait till this project's done and I get to see it. I hope I get, even if I don't get to see it, I know where he lives, so I'll go by and take pictures of it. But that's going to look pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully that's the last time I record about those. I've got 3 more to cut, and then I've got some cookies. Maybe I'll do a video on the cookies. So stay tuned, like, subscribe.